pretty excited. We got Sage, we got Cesar, we got all of our crew video, and we're leaving in about 3 hours, 2 hours. We're leaving in 2 hours, so let's do it. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
What are we getting for dinner?
Subway!
I know. We're doing Subway. We're on the road with Sage and Cesar. We're currently on our way to Wellington at the stop that everybody stops at on the way to south. We have made it to
Moab!
Moab!
Oh, you gotta do it again.
Okay,
no,
review. Okay, take. What's that? Crap. Thanks.
You got this. Dude! Yo!
God! We have made it to our campsite.
Yo!
Come here. You gotta get the whole crew. Light your faces up.
Ah, there we go. Aha.
We did it.
Like
Oh my gosh! All right, let's set up camp. So, tomorrow we have a big day. Cesar? Yeah, it's getting weird. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Sage, say bye. Good morning, America.
Hey.
We have Cesar. The view. Choose a card, any card. There you go. Oh, that one didn't rip.
Did your fire go out?
Yeah.
That's okay.
Alright, let's try through some wet stuff.
Rocks.
Oh, crap.
Oh boy! Dang, that got deep.
I was like, wait.
That was intense. How's everybody doing?
Good.
That got scary for a second. Hi. Yeah, yes please. Have a good one. Such a nice lady.
It's free.
We're at our first stop on Delicate Arch hike. Sage wants some water.
Reese is over here with his GoPro 9.
It's true. We got the whole crew. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Cesar, we're gonna see. Oh my gosh. Pretty. Wow. Woohoo! Okay, we finished Delicate Arch Trail. It was super fun. Had a lot of fun. Window arches.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like an amphitheater.
Yes, sir.
That's pretty cool though.
It's so cool.
All right,
So
Reese.
We have finished our journey through Arches National Park. Woo! Now we're going to Moab downtown to get some food.
Good afternoon, you beautiful people. We are back again with Reese Vlogs over here.
Dad, let's do this.
There's the Colorado. I love that. Day 2 of our road trip. Success. Now we're headed off to the Goblin Valley and a Little Wild Horse Canyon. Yeah. Check it out. Ooh.
Peace out.
Road trip, 2 hours. Let's go. We have made it to our camping site. Check it out. And the rig. Fire pit. Sun's just about to go down. We're about to lose light, which kind of sucks. But to camp. This is my sleeping area. Caesar's gonna sleep right there. That's our kitchen. That's Sage's home. Here's Sage sitting by the warm fire. Good morning. Day 3. We just had breakfast, hot chocolate, and oatmeal. My window is very
It's concerning.
concentration or constipated or constant. No, just kidding. But now we're packing up and we're gonna go do Little Wild Horse Canyon, Slot Canyon. Woo! We're on the road. We packed everything in our car. Now we're headed off to the Canyon. The reason why I want to film right here is because my first video I ever made, first shot was at this spot right here. So let's go see what Sage found. Hey Sage, what did you find? Walking through the tight sections of the canyon with the camera. Sage is loving it. Cesar's loving it. I've always loved this canyon. It's getting tight. 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 Woo. Just kidding. It's good though. But usually this is filled with water. We have to climb over it. But it's okay. We got good photos. Turn the aperture to 3.5 and bam! Oh, ooh, eat another one. Ooh, climb up this rock. Ooh. Help me. Oh, I'm falling back. Woo! I was falling back. Oh, there's another. Hit. Okay. It's been 3 days and we're out of water. Just kidding. But look how tight that is. That's so sick. I love how wavy it is because you go through the canyons and it's so cool. I love it a lot. We have made it to the end of the Slot Canyon. Where's Cesar? Hey Cesar. And then we're gonna go to the Goblin Valley. This is the end of our journey. We're standing at the top of these goblins. But that was super fun though.
It was.
I'm really excited we got to do this. Here's to the next one. And to Goblin Valley. We got in free. Yay! So, and what's it called? A travel guide. Yeah.